So let's summarize what we saw in that previous video, right? Where we saw that a weak acid, I'm sorry, if an acid's conjugate base is a strong base, then that acid is a weak acid. And if that acid's conjugate base is a weak base, then the acid is strong. So there's this inverse relationship between the acid base conjugate pairs, right? And that's what we're showing here. So we're showing conjugate acid base pairs. So H3O plus is the acid, its conjugate base is H2O. HClO2 is the acid, right, perchloric acid, and its conjugate base is perchlorate. Hydrofluoric acid, its conjugate base is fluoride. Carbonic acid, conjugate base is bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate. Acetic acid, its conjugate base is acetate. Ammonium, conjugate base is ammonia. Hydrogen phosphate, conjugate base is phosphate ion. And then we also have water, right? Because remember, water can be an acid or a base. Water as an acid's conjugate base is hydroxide. So notice that if we look at the acids going from left to right, we're going from stronger to weaker acids. And its conjugate bases are going from weaker bases to stronger bases. So we see this inverse relationship between the conjugate acid base pairs, which is essentially what we showed in the previous video. There is an inverse relationship between the strength of an acid and its conjugate base, or base and its conjugate acid.